We all love watching Netflix, but did you know that you could actually earn money from it? Many people watch shows and movies for fun, but there are ways to make it work for you. So let's dive into 5 ideas to get started. So first, you're gonna try becoming a Netflix reviewer. Websites like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars pay you to share your thoughts on Netflix shows. Second, start a YouTube channel and talk about Netflix series. Enough with views, you can even make money through ads and sponsorships. So third, you can offer social media consulting. Help others build their Netflix-based accounts on Instagram or Twitter, and you can get paid for that as well. The fourth way is to try affiliate marketing. So websites like Amazon offer commissions when you promote Netflix-related products like TV accessories or merchandise. Lastly, if you don't like those, consider creating an online course teaching people how to make the most out of their Netflix subscriptions. So there are 5 ways right there. Now that you know the ways to earn with Netflix, start today. Like this video, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know also which one is your favorite way to do this. And thanks for being here. Keep moving forward and start your Netflix side hustle today. Love you. Ciao.